Listen to the story and learn new vocabulary in context with correct pronunciation and translation. Once upon a time, in a friendly neighborhood bustling with life, there was a delightful story called The Lost Puppy. Meet Jake, a young boy known for his enormous love for animals. One sunny afternoon, he was having a fantastic time playing in the park with his playful puppy Max. They were inseparable, always running and exploring the grassy areas together. But then, in a flurry of excitement, Jake lost sight of Max while they were playing fetch. Panic rose in him as he realized his beloved puppy was missing, sending waves of worry through his little heart. Determined to find Max, Jake began his frantic search around the park, calling out for him. Every friendly face he encountered was met with hopeful questions, each moment heightening his anxiety as he searched desperately. Just then, a kind stranger appeared. It was an elderly woman who noticed Jake's distress. With a comforting smile, she assured him that together they would find Max. Finally, after what felt like ages, they spotted Max happily wagging his tail near a tree. The joy of reunion painted smiles on both Jake's and the woman's faces, reinforcing the special bond between a boy and his puppy.